OpenAI is rapidly advancing toward the launch of a new AI model, with key developments centered around the Strawberry project, formerly known as Q-Star. This reasoning AI, capable of solving complex math and programming problems that current chatbots struggle with, has been demonstrated to US national security officials. Strawberry represents a significant leap in AI's ability to handle multi-step reasoning, potentially leading to fewer errors. Strawberry is also crucial for training OpenAI's next major model, ORION, which has been leaked and could potentially be launched this fall. ORION is anticipated to surpass existing models like GPT-4, with its training involving synthetic data generated by Strawberry, addressing the scarcity of high-quality training data. This effort is part of OpenAI's strategy to maintain its lead in the competitive AI landscape, where rivals like Google and Anthropic are quickly catching up. The release of Strawberry, whether as part of ChatGPT or another product, is highly anticipated. Meanwhile, the notorious OpenAI leaker, Jimmy Apples, had hinted at the existence of ORION as early as November 2023, showcasing the secrecy and speculation surrounding these advancements. The release of ORION and its impact on the AI landscape is highly anticipated.